Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and securing your data. First, unlock the bootloader and enable USB debugging. This lets the PC flash images. Once done, create a full Nandroid backup from recovery and copy important files to your computer so you can restore if needed. Also, download the correct kernel image for your exact device variant, the device tree if required, and the appropriate flashing tool, Fastboot or Odin, so you're ready to flash without delays. You now perform the flash step carefully. Boot the phone into Fastboot or the vendor-specific download mode. This is where the tool talks to the bootloader. Next, verify the image checksum to avoid corrupt flashes, then issue the flash command. For Fastboot use, Fastboot flash boot. Img or in Odin load the AP slot and start. Make sure not to wipe data unless the kernel notes require it. Wiping can be destructive. Wait for confirmation and let the device reboot fully. You finish by verifying the result and knowing how to recover. Boot into Android and check the kernel version in settings or run a db shell uname to confirm the change. If the phone enters a boot loop, immediately boot into custom recovery and restore the Nandroid backup you made earlier. That returns the previous state. If problems persist, collect logcat and bootloader logs to spot driver or device tree mismatches. These logs tell you why the kernel fails and guide the next.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.